please. Maddie, I need you. Come on, Brayden. All right, I'm going to see what you guys learned. Evan's going to ask you some questions, see if you guys remember what those big words were. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what were we doing today? What were we doing with like the rocks and water and the, what is it, flour and Chex Mix? What were we doing?
We were pulling it into the bottle.
Ooh, raise your hand. Noah, what were you doing?
We were separating.
Yeah, that's a big word. Can everyone say that? Separating. That means you have two things. You mix them together. And then to separate would be to take them and make them just the two things again, right? What one was your guys' favorite? The flower. That one was really fun, wasn't it? Jordan.
The rock.
The rock. Thank you. The Chex Mix and flour.
You want to in the back?
Shaylin. Yeah.
The rock.
The rock.
Oh, she guessed it. Yeah. She did. She got it right.
Yeah.
Noah?
Yeah.
Noah.
I like the flower.
You like the flowers?
Can they say the big words with the flower and the big words with the rocks?
What did we do when we shook out the flowers?
What's that called?
We were kind of shaking it back and forth. So the cereal will stay on it.
And what did you say that was? What did we do to it?
Do you remember Denver?
Separate.
There you go.
A big word. Can you guys say decantation?
Decantation.
I don't think all our friends were listening. Can we say decantation one more time?
Decantation.
Good. And so what were we doing all together? We were separating. You guys did good.
Those are some big syllable
Big
words.
words. What do we say to these four awesome students? Thank you. I wish you would. Okay, so we're from our chemistry class, which obviously is science class, and we're going to talk to you guys about like the energy in ice cubes, right?
Yeah,
Transferring energy. You're transferring energy.
Yeah.
So how many of you guys think that you got energy in your hand? How many of you guys think that there's energy in ice cream? Not very many. Alright, well we're going to test that out. So we got ice cubes, and we're going to put them in our hands. What do you guys think is going to happen?
No.
You guys know why that happens?
Because you can feel it coming out. The temperature is too hot.
And what kind, what is heat? What is that? Right. So let's start.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have ice cubes. Everyone is actually gonna use popsicles to do this.
Yeah, we're going to popsicles.
We have a point to this. We're not just eating popsicles, okay? So we're gonna have to pay attention while we eat the popsicles, okay?
Alright, so we're each gonna have an ice cube.
You guys can open up your popsicles too.
Oh, it smells so
You guys can start putting them in your mouth and stuff. We're gonna just hold them in our hands.
Mine's already starting to melt.
And
So what did you guys say is happening to it?
It's not melting.
Why is it melting?
Because of your energy.
Energy, where's the energy from my hand going?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you guys put popsicles? When you eat them, what's happening to that? Is it because of the same thing?
Yeah.
Good job.
We're smart.
Yeah.
We're smart. I'm not thinking everyone else is
Maybe they have something else to teach you, so
We got a little bit of an art project too to do after you guys are done.
Hey, do you guys know what kind of energy that is? Do you know any of the words for it? Because I'm pretty rusty with my science, but maybe they
Yeah, I tried to explain this to my mom last night. She couldn't get it for quite a long time.
He's a good tutor, though. What kind of energy is it? You boys don't know?
Maybe. I know.
That was maybe, I don't know.
No, that is a form of energy though.
What is kinetic energy?
You know what kinetic energy is?
Yeah, it's like energy that makes stuff move.
So we call those what? When things go from solid to liquid to gas,
Phase
it's what?
change. Phase change.
Yeah, so have you guys learned in science all your phase changes? Do you work with solids, liquids, and gases?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you guys use to show solids and gases?
Wow, you're right.
Alright, so you guys see the little blue squares you guys got?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna put a graph here and a graph here. So this is what the ice cube was. It goes, this is like the middle of it, this is our energy, and then this is gonna be our final, so the liquid. So for our solid ice cube, we're gonna put one bar right here. You're gonna glue one bar in right here.
Right now.
And right now.
It's a brand new
So the reason why we're putting one bar, because in the LOL graph, one bar equals a solid.
Yeah, so our ice cube is still a solid.
So
You guys good?
when the popsicle was in the solid stage, and then it transferred,
What do we call that again?
phase changed into a liquid.
Yeah, melted in the ice.
How many? It's up there, but how many bars is the liquid?
You guys know? Good job.
Yeah.
2 bars equals a solid. So the phase changes, the energy's leaving out of the system. So that's it. So right here is gonna get 2 bars.
That's it. You're good. Blue square. Right? Square? Hey, we might have something else to tell you.
Alright, so you guys all got that done?
Yeah.
Alright. So, why was the popsicle melting again? Because we had what going into the popsicle? So up here, this is our popsicle, right? This is our energy going into the popsicles and melts it. So can you guys, actually it's going to be one bar. So can you guys put one bar glued up here with a little arrow on it?
I already did.
You already did that?
Here, I'll put
Yeah.
it's a liquid.
Alright, so hey, all you guys got that done? Alright, so we're starting off with the 1, right? And we're gonna add one of these, so we come out with 2. So can you guys write that underneath, because that's 2 bars.
So 1 plus 1 equals 2.
So you're gonna put +1 right here underneath this box,
We start with 1.
and then you're gonna get +1 here, because this is our energy coming into the popsicle, which melts it, and then we're gonna equal with 2, so equal sign 2. Yep, equal signs, 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Oh, so this is kind of, let me see here.
Perfect. Good job, guys. That was our little experiment.
Thanks for working.
Presentation, yes, thank you guys for
Thank you
coming.
guys.
You guys did great.
Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, enjoy your guys' popsicles too.
Yeah,